What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix, brought to you by the Rule Coders. Yes, that is us. So you might be wondering that there's just one person, which is me. It's supposed to be so Finesh, the other Rule Coder, was supposed to join, but he's got his family commitments. He wanted to spend a bit more time with his family, so that's why he can't come on today. And yeah, so that is it. I'll try and get the stream really entertaining at my level best. So you guys are kind of stuck with me now, unfortunately. Yeah, so let's play the acknowledgement for the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Yeah, so that is all done. Brilliant. So yeah, Gagdev. So Finish, he did ask Tori to cover him, but Tori was feeling a bit burnt out and sick as well, so he wanted a bit more time to rest. So yeah, that leaves you with me. All right. So what did we manage to do yesterday? We managed to store, as in, we managed to add a column in DynamoDB for column names, and we were meant to store an array of strings, but it's not saving as it's supposed to at the moment. You might be wondering, what am I talking about? What on earth, saying? Come on, man, talk in English with us. Yep, I get it. I get it. I will actually show you. But before that, I'm gonna share my screen. All right. So this is what I was talking about. See how I get bored, as in one. Anyway. So they have deleted it again, which is fine. And I will do another board, which is test one. Cool, that's inserted. And then I will go like board name, and then so this I should have column name here now, which is here. But if I add my column name, which is to that board, that one, and then this one, and if I add a body into this, so see how this is coming up as array. We already have that array, but if we insert this one in, it would potentially be inserted, but in kind of a wrong way. So see, if you do this, it comes up as array within an array. So I think in order to eliminate this, possibly we would need to yeah, so this is what I was talking about. So in this session, we're gonna basically go ahead and fix this part. So let me get my code out, which is here, and where's my column array? Column array is column names. Nope. Okay, never mind. Actually, I'll do create a new board. Yeah, and this would be our column array. So what if I do this? Would this allow me to? No. Why am I thinking? So let's Google this a bit. How to store an array of strings in DynamoDB. DynamoDB. Before I forgot to do one important thing, is play some tunes in the background. So let's get that popping. Jacob, do you want to choose a letter? And hopefully it's not a common. Hopefully it's not a common one. I think he's busy doing some other stuff, so I will choose one myself. So let's do acoustic or dance pop. All right, cool. So let's go back, and the registry becomes a array of objects. Can you store an array? Yes, we can, but I want the array of strings. I insert an array to DynamoDB. Yeah, it becomes an array of objects when I view in DynamoDB. Here's our output. Position that one. DynamoDB. Okay, if you want a single object, an array of string, yeah, that's exactly what we want. You need to set your attribute type to string set. Ah, interesting. So that will basically be a string set then. So in there, if I do string this way, item position, string, no, that doesn't do it. What am I doing wrong? Try something like this in NodeJS. Position, okay, and then I would want to insert the array of objects, array of columns, which is both columns. No, yeah, that won't do it. Actually, I've already got this missing space, so columns in that one, string set done with the for. So this is exactly it. This will you want if you want a single object with array, you need to set string set. Okay, so we need basically this one. Which would be this. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. Array of string set. So how do we set this? Boolean map how to set in an item. So we basically want to set this here, so kind of in this way. Oh, no, that's wrong. I need this to come in that one, and then this bit basically to come in here. I think so. Check how we did it. So item, and then this is my object, right? This needs to be an object. This would be an object, and the string will come in here, and then it would be, yep, cool. And I do missing trading comma, cool. So if I do in this way and then try and insert it in, what happens? 1, 2, doing. Okay, just to do and doing. String must be single quotes. Yeah, of course. Of course. There must be single quotes. Space is required after. Wow, okay, never mind. Okay, so if we're doing this way, then that would mean that we just have to insert in this array then. Or the string, would that be it? Or use a number set, then you will get string set. So he's inserting it into this, yeah. It becomes this position, so he's giving it in here. So basically what we want to do is give it but dynamically. So we won't do anything here possibly. So we need to have this. And then what we're gonna do in columns, yeah, we will put these column names, which would be coming in from the body. Oops. Which would be coming from the body. So this one essentially would become array, and then so basically what we need to do is split the array and then insert the items in DynamoDB's array one by one. I can't insert it both. Right. Okay, interesting. Columns. Okay, and then that would come in there, which is fine. This would be an array of columns, and then that would get inserted here. Let's see what this gives us. Any comments or anything like that? Nope. Cool. Oops, I forgot that I wasn't sharing my screen. I need to be doing this. Right, so that is deployed, which is great, and now we need to deploy it as well. Okay, then if we want the array of string will be coming from the front end, then what we would want is, yeah, store them in here, which would be Yeah, let's see how this one comes because I'm not entirely sure how this one would work out in the first place. Right, almost there. There we go, it's all deploying successfully. Slowly. Alright, that is been deployed. Perfect. Now let's go and test it in now let's go and test it in DynamoDB. Create another color board with test2. Oh my goodness sake, this is wow. Just wow. Come on, hurry up, Postman. Then it would be it would be we need all boards. So if I try and insert this, what would happen? Let's check it out, shall we? We need to get all boards first, and then I need to get the board name. Board ID I meant, and then post it in columns and then search in. I don't think it's gonna work. And I'll brand it in the update column as the an incorrect data. Yep, is that one. Data type, right. So what do we do though? Just bear with me, guys. Something upon it is calling. Right, guys. I'll probably have to call it a day here. Something urgent has happened, and I just got to know it today. I mean, now from the missus, so I will have to take a leave. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time on Sunday probably. All right, have a great one. Cheers. Bye bye.